Well, we're still in San Juanico Bay, but we are exploring today. The winds and waves are good again. Got this big rock where we just saw a blue-footed booby. We've got some other rocks to explore, some new beaches, and we put this cool chair up in the dinghy for the dogs so that while we're underway, we have lots of space and don't fight. Yeah, desert girls. Yeah.
So I did a little hike today. Came up, looked at this beautiful little spot that we were going through earlier. The ocean's like a calm day today. It's absolutely beautiful. That's our little beach spot right behind us there. Jamie's on the beach with the kids, the dogs, and I'm hiking the mountain. Beautiful spot.
Yeah, yeah, lunes, yeah. Lunes, Baker, right. Daniela, la que el corazón detonó, la que quema los mareos, la que siempre me hace el día y si la cago me perdona. Ella la baby, eso lo sabe. Me tiene loco, pero por ti. Como 3 días, solo es perreo. Y si no para, le sigo ahí. Me tiene todo enviciado. El booty está asegurado. Ya no me voy de tu lado. Brindemos por lo que va a venir. Daniela, que el corazón detona. La que quema los mareos. La que siempre me hace el día. Y si la cago, me perdona.